Welcome to Bilbao. Located in northern Spain, Bilbao is the capital city of the Basque country, an autonomous region of Spain that has its own language, culture, and food that are unique to them. Welcome to Bilbao, the largest city in the Basque country. So we're going to spend a couple of days here just enjoying the city, eating delicious Pintxos, and exploring, finding out more about the history, the food, the culture, and thankfully, in the sunshine finally. No trip to Bilbao is complete without a visit to the Guggenheim Museum. This modern and contemporary art museum is without a doubt the most visited site in the entire city, and many people visit Bilbao specifically just to see it. This means that it's a pretty busy spot, so be sure to book your tickets well in advance so that you don't miss out. If you want to explore a few other museums while you're in Bilbao, I recommend checking out the Bilbao Museum of Fine Arts, which has exceptional exhibits and is currently under construction to build an even larger space for its collection. Just outside of the Fine Arts Museum is a fun and free collection of streetlights from around the country, which has been named the Museum of Lampposts. A short walk from here and you'll come to the Maritime Museum, which is home to tons of different boats to explore, as well as a few interesting exhibits inside. It's a particularly good option if you're visiting with kids. One of my favorite things to do in Bilbao is simply wander the Casco Viejo, or the old town of the city. It's here you'll find the Santiago Cathedral and Plaza Nueva, which is one of the city's most famous spots for Pintxos, the Basque version of tapas. While it's the most famous, it's not, in my humble opinion, the best place in Bilbao to have Pintxos. If you have the time to explore other areas of the city, I highly recommend spots like El Globo, Café Iruña, De Bellota, and Bar El Pinchito. For a larger meal, don't miss out on the different local stews from Rio Hoja. For views of the colorful buildings of Bilbao, walk along the waterfront in the Casco Viejo until you reach the Mercado de la Ribera. Just across the street, you can stroll underneath the porticos, which are known as the Arcos de la Ribera. Just be sure to look up to enjoy a few different murals along the way. Football lovers won't want to miss a tour of the Athletic Bilbao Stadium. The tour includes an excellent audio guide in English, which explains tons of history as you wander the club's museum. Then you get the chance to walk out onto the field, check out the team's changing rooms, sit in the president's seat, and take in the views from the VIP area. If you have a little bit of extra time, an easy trip to take from central Bilbao is to Getxo. Located on the metro line, you can take the line directly to the Arita station. There are a few great things to see here, but the main attraction is the Vizcaya Bridge. This 45-meter-high, 160-meter-long bridge was completed in 1893 and was the first bridge in the entire world to carry both people and vehicles on a high suspended gondola. You can now take an elevator to the top of the bridge and walk across it. Your ticket also includes a return trip on the gondola below. If the weather's good, walk along the boardwalk from the bridge, and in about 30 minutes you'll reach a beautiful sandy beach where you can go for a swim. I hope you enjoyed exploring Bilbao with me. This city is packed with wonderful museums, beautiful architecture, seriously delicious food, and is so well connected to tons of great beaches in the Basque country. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports my channel, and I will see you next time as I attempt to walk over 100 miles from the border of France right back here to Bilbao.